Alright, so this is my video for discussion 6. So when it comes to democracy, I think our additional reading made it very clear that democracy happens in a lot of different places in the world. It brings up, like, for example, Babylon and how they have like the assemblies and everything, and then it continues to show assemblies in a lot of different cultures and stuff, and just the wording of assembly, and then also what that assembly meant to those people. And although it like changes over time, it still is the like base idea of having like as many people as possible having their input in their own government, and then that government having to listen to them in some way. So for Babylon specifically, it was like, the kings needed to know what the assemblies knew and everything. And you also see this need for consensus in the African portion of that as well, and how the kings absolutely had to like get the consent and the consensus of the entire, whatever. I think that's really interesting to point at, which then brings up the question, is it just a part of Greek culture or is it collective? I think it's very collective. I mean, from everything I've read, not only in this class, but in, every other class I've taken, there always seems to be this, like, want of people to just be people, and this want to just, have a say in what goes around them, and this want to do something with their lives and to do, something that can change how the world around them works. If they think it needs to be changed, or if they think it needs to stay the same and they want to advocate for that or something, I think people have always drawn themselves to constantly trying to make their world a better place and trying to make their world something they think should be the correct term for that. For example, if somebody thought that they shouldn't have kings, they would say something about that, or if somebody thought they did, so on and so forth. So yeah, I thought it was really interesting to ask the question, is it just human nature? And I definitely think it is. The readings that we did seem to point to that conclusion, that it happens everywhere, and so it seems to be just a human thing to truly want to be seen as equal to other people and to have the ability to change the world around you.